Click Graphite Tube button in the software, and then remove the bracket. You could insert the graphite tube into the graphite furnace. Do not touch the graphite tube directly by your hand. It's recommended to use tweezers to put the tube into the furnace, and then push the bracket back and click OK button. The position will be located. There are two knobs could use to align the position of the graphite furnace, the white one and the metal one. The white one could use to align the position from front and back, and the metal one could align the height of the graphite furnace. From the software, you could check the energy of the instrument. You may align the position of the graphite furnace to get the highest energy. Above is the alignment procedure for the graphite tube. Prepare following things: a seal to minor screw like this one, and a set of the nebulizer, capillary tube, and a wrench and a screwdriver. So first we take this one and connect to the air tube from the instrument. And tighten the nut with the wrench. Like this way, and then aid the sealing to avoid the air leakage. Insert the glass bowl. You should remember that the bar here should be downside lower than the tube, and then we put the capillary tube into pure water. And turn on the air compressor. Here you will see the smudge will turn out, and you need to adjust the mask. To let the sample is sprayed out, like this way. And then we insert the nebulizer into the chamber. During the inserting, you need to ensure that the whole of this glass part do not touch any of the chamber, any side of the chamber. And then we fix the position with the minor screw. Fix the other one. So the assembling of the nebulizer is completed.